Hello everyone, welcome to Skillify. Next topic here we are going to say is polymorphism. So actually, what is polymorphism? Polymorphism is one of the concept in groups, and it is nothing but we can use it in many forms. That is, we can use polymorphism in many forms. We can use this in many forms inside the function. So this is the main advantages of polymorphism. We can create a common methods in any of the class, and we can use that functions in many forms. For example, we will see one sample here. I'm just creating one class that is sample. Inside that, I'm creating one function that is def course self. I'm just printing Python here. After that, I'm creating another one function which is duration. Inside that, I'm just writing 3 months. So the next function is I'm just printing fees here. Printing 20,000. So this is what our first function, and I'm just creating the same class along with the same functions. The only difference here is I'm just changing my class name as my class. So inside the two different classes, we are having the same function, which is course duration and fees. I'm just changing the values, that is print statement. Inside that, I'm just changing into Java, adding here 4 months, and the fees is I'm just giving 15,000 here. So this is the way I'm just creating two different classes, but with the same functions. So I'm just calling this class by using object1 is equal to sample, and object2 is equal to my class. So I'm just calling this two classes. After that, what we will do means in the normal function, we will call each and every function like obj.1 course of obj.1 duration of obj.1 piece of. And for next function, we will call obj2 dot course of obj2 dot duration of and obj2 dot piece of. Instead of doing that, we will use this polymorphism method by using for loop. Just I'm creating one for loop. Inside that I'm passing obj1, obj2. I'm just giving one colon. I'm just iterating that course I dot duration of, and the last thing is I dot piece of. So how it will work? So the first thing is I have created the object for my two class, and I'm just importing that two class inside the for loop. I'm just calling the courses. I'm just creating only one variable here because both the classes having same function here. That is course duration and fees. So running this code means it will display both of the things. That is, first it will work for obj1. In that we are having sample1. In sample1 we are having Python 3 months and 20,000. So it will print that first. After that, the next object will get run, that is obj2. In obj2, we are having my class. In the my class, we are having Java 4 months and 15,000. So it will get printed. This is the main use of polymorphism. Here we are having same functions, but with the different classes. We are just creating separate objects for different classes. After that, we are just creating one for loop and iterating that, and we are fetching those functions by using that iterator. So I think you guys will get knowledge about what is polymorphism and how to work with that. This is the basic way to create one polymorphism. It is nothing but we are using the same function in the many forms. We are having same function name here, but the working of the function is different. But I'm just calling that function, so it will work along with the existing one. This is the main purpose of polymorphism here. I think you guys will get the knowledge in polymorphism now. Thank you.